What's up, everybody? It's your boy Rome 300. I'm back again with a quick unboxing. I have to send a shout out and a thank you to my homeboy, another fragrance reviewer and also a fragrance collector. You guys know him as Mr. Cologne. He has helped me get this fragrance from Kajal Fragrances in Paris. You guys know that they just came from Accents in Milan, Italy. So thank you to Kajal Fragrances for this beautiful fragrance, and also appreciate you picking this up for me, Mr. Cologne 76. So let's do the unboxing real quick. I took it out of the big box, so y'all don't need to see that, but here we go. Let's open this up. Let's move that back. Sorry about that. It's a nice sleeve, and then you get some, I guess, stickers and stuff in here. Let me open that up, see what that is. I got some stickers from my other Kajal fragrance too, but I'll open this up when we do a first impression video. So let's open this bad boy up real quick. I'm always excited to do these unboxings because they are so fun. You know, like Christmas came early. You guys don't understand, I've been wanting this fragrance for 2 years now, man, and it's just been hard to get over here because every time they try to get it to me, it got sent back, man. I don't understand why, but you know, having patience, you know, paid off. So got that off. Let's slide this off right here. That's pretty cool. Look at that. You can see through the side of the box right there. That's kind of cool. I like that presentation. Hard cardboard. And let's do the unboxing. Whoa. Bum. Oh, that's like a frosted glass. And it sits in this. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, guys. We're going to continue this unboxing. There you go. You can see the fragrance and the frosted glass. I have to apologize. My camera died on me. Just a quick unboxing so you guys can see the difference between this new presentation. It's like a frosted glass. Check the back out, see if there's anything on the back. Same thing, nothing there. And let me go get bronze with a clear bottle, and this one frosted glass. So there we go. Quick unboxing for you guys. I'll let you guys know what I think. I already know how it smells, but look, stay tuned for the review, and I'll let you guys know what I think. All right, until next time, peace.